Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can post photos and videos on Threads. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to search for Thread app, open Thread application. So once you open, you simply need to click on this pencil and paper icon. And here you can start a thread. So I'm write anything. Okay, and here you need to click on this icon to attach photo or video. Click on that. So I'm going to attach this picture from my gallery and click on done. Okay, and here you can see anyone can reply, so you simply need to click on that. So it is up to you who can reply on your thread. Okay, and then you simply need to click on post. So this is a process by which you can share pictures or videos on threads. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.